Welcome to year 2025, a year of growth and renewal. At Learnwithjoes LLC, we believe that your transformation starts with a single step now. Have you decided or written down your SMART goals for the year 2025? Let's work together. Let's take the next step together. At Learnwithjoes LLC, we have our specialized coaching services starting January 20, 2025. You'll be seeing the posters on all the social media. Under the description too, you will find links where you could register for either holistic spiritual development that will deepen your faith and give you inner peace, or divorce recovery coaching that's giving you another chance in identifying your true potential, your true identity, and reclaim your purpose living life. Or grief and trauma coaching that will help you to heal, to transform, to turn your pain to power. All these coaches will be starting January 20, 2025 at different time. Whichever you fit in, Learnwithjoes LLC, we are there for you. You will never regret it. God loves you. We love you at Learnwithjoes LLC, but you need to love yourself correctly. And loving yourself correctly means taking the right step now. Start the journey.